You are Ndaya.
No, I'm not Ndaya.
You got to find the cedar. This one have a small brain, and you have small brain, and you are small guy.
Grandfather, you have to respect me.
To respect
Okay?
you.
Yeah.
Okay? You have to respect me.
Can you be the minister, you?
Are you
Or
minister?
nyumba kumi, you?
Are you minister? Huh? Are you minister?
Nyumba kumi.
Are you minister?
Jendi nyumba kumi.
Nyumba kumi.
Jendi nyumba kumi kumanyoko.
Nyumba kumi.
Kavuni mwetu nyu. Ndakubwe nakuvuni mwetu.
If in Kigali City.
If I continue to stay here, I go to fight with you. But you are stupid, you guys.
As? No, I'm not stupid. Grandfather, I respect you. Please, calm down.
What can I do? What can I do for me?
I can beat you.
What
I can beat you.
You can beat me, you. The small size can beat me. You don't know to speak a language. Can you let it?
But
when
no. But I know how to speak in English.
And this one,
you can ask herself, because
right there, you know, you have a big.
Kigali News Channel. Stay connected, stay entertained, and stay inspired with Kigali News Channel.
Mute one.
Hi guys.
Hi bro.
What the meaning of mute?
Meaning of what?
Mute, what the language? This one is the language. What language?
Which language you want to tell me?
Mute what?
Mute?
This one is the English.
Yes. The English, someone who know. Everyone.
You have told me what?
Someone who told me mute. What's the language in this one?
Which told about?
I don't know. I don't know that language. Can you explain me that to have more understanding about it?
It's found the money.
Found money.
Yeah.
Select found money.
You right?
Yeah.
You had the wife.
Yes, I had.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
And which? And which children?
Yeah.
The children. How
The children. No, not my children. Not wife. Don't have. I not understand about it.
You are Kilemba. You are Kilemba.
I'm not a Kilemba.
In other words, he make the thing that called it's like a prostitution.
Prostitution.
Yeah. Do you know?
Indaya.
Yeah.
Indaya. In language, in Rwanda language.
Yeah. In Kinyarwanda language, you say indaya.
In English, you say.
Yeah.
In English.
Prostitute.
Prostitute.
Yeah.
Indaya. I'm not Indaya.
Yeah.
He does not wife.
It isn't. When you had a big problem, guy, because you are Ndaya.
No, I'm not Ndaya.
You got to find the cedar.
And Mburugu.
And
Mburugu.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, what? Oh yeah.
I'm Imanzi.
You are
Imanzi.
What is the meaning of
Imanzi?
Imanzi. What do you mean, bro? Imanzi.
I'm Imanzi.
Imanzi is the stupid guy.
No.
Imanzi.
Not stupid.
This guy is. You are mad.
You are not serious, bro.
I'm Imanzi.
Not serious, man.
Why you say I'm not serious? I'm serious.
How try to make a
when
prostitution?
I found the airport in Rwanda.
I'm not a prostitution.
When I found the airport in Rwanda, I tried to speak in Rwanda. You are Bandi, Mujura. You are Mujura.
Ichihebe.
The Kihebe.
Oh yeah, I'm not Kihebe.
Ijisambo.
No.
Kisambo. Kisambo is the.
In English, you can say that like.
Kisambo is the.
Gangs or thieves.
Airport of Portugal. Kisambo.
Kisambo is the name of airport of Portugal. The name of airport.
Kisambo.
Yeah.
In Portugal.
Yeah. I know. When I was arriving to Portugal, I was arriving at the airport, Kisambo.
Do you know how do you speak in English? But you understand what we are saying right now, or you prefer to use Kinyarwanda? Yeah. What the language can be easy for you?
The two language.
Two language can be easy for you.
English and French.
But I'm just listening that
you
Kiswahili.
You want to say Swahili?
Swahili.
Kiswahili.
Not in Swahili. I know to speak. I try to understand and to speak Swahili.
Do you know how to speak Kiswahili? Go ahead. If you not speak Kiswahili, go ahead. Sasa go ahead.
Habari.
Nzuri. Fanyaje?
You guy, you are the bandits. Because
I'm not
you
bandit.
have to take some complicated for me. You are makakas, you guy.
But maybe
like the human, you are makakas.
I'm still confused.
Like the human, you are makakas.
No, I'm still wondering. Maybe he does not know how to speak in English. But I'm still wondering.
And your friend
about
your friend.
Why?
Some complication for to speak English. Speak in English for to understand.
Speak in English, way.
Yes. We go.
We go.
Go to study.
Where are you going?
Go to study.
I'm going to say in English.
And you are math guy. Like the toilet, you are the same toilet.
For real.
This one. The order. Your order is bad.
This one.
For me.
This one.
Have you eat the mouse or the...
I'm eating mouse.
Did mouse. Not mouse only. Did mouse.
Did mouse. For me.
Does not understand what you are saying. But you can use a Kinyarwanda. Maybe he is a thief. I have told you, he's a thief.
If I stay
he's
here,
a thief in Kigali City.
If I continue to stay here, I go to fight with you. But you are stupid, you guys.
As? No, I'm not stupid. Grandfather, I respect you. Please, calm down.
What can I do? What can I do for me?
I can beat you. I can beat you.
You can beat me, you. The small size can beat me.
Small size.
How the long size? Your small size can beat me, you guys.
You tell me that I'm small size, but just I'm small size in physically, but in my mind I'm too big. You have to listen to what I'm saying.
Your mind.
Listen, I'm small size in physically, but in my mind I'm too big.
You are there.
You have to know what I'm saying right now.
You have the big mind.
Yes,
you have the big mind.
I'm agreeing with you. I'm small size.
Yeah. You have the big head. You have the big
No,
mind.
I'm not saying I'm not saying
big mind.
Yeah.
I'm not
a big brain.
Big brain, big mind.
But this one have the small brain, and you have the small brain, and you are small guy.
Grandfather, you have to respect me.
To respect
okay?
you?
Yeah.
Okay? You have to respect me.
Can you be the minister, you?
Are you minister? Are you minister? Are you minister?
Nyumba kumi.
Are you minister?
Jendi nyumba kumi.
Nyumba kumi.
Jendi nyumba kumi kumanyoko.
Nyumba kumi.
Kavuni mweto. Nitakunge na kuvuni mweto. I can beat you guy.
You are nyumba kumi.
Mbo.
Nyumba kumi.
No reka bintu tubitware muri buno buryo mumeze muti.
Unaongea nini? Qu'est-ce que dit toi?
I'm just speaking Kinyarwanda.
Fucking. Qu'est-ce que tu dis? Tu veux dire que moi je suis nyumba kumi?
Oui. Mbo twagiye. Aha. Mbo.
You pay me the salary, you guys.
Reka bano bantu tunabakira ko ikiganiro zicana batagira ngo imikino
batagira ngo bigeye.
Reka tunabakira. Reka tunabakira.
You are Rwandese.
You are Rwandese.
Yeah, I'm Rwandese.
You are Rwandese.
Yes.
Yeah.
But me. I'm national country. I'm Rwandese. I'm English. English. I'm American. And
I speak Kinyarwanda, please.
Yes.
I'm Rwandese.
Because we are Rwandan.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes.
We are Rwandan.
And me.
So mbo rero erega mumenye ko ngiye kubakiranga muhaze mwitonde mbanze
Ziba.
Shabanze itonde mbanze mvuga. Mbo. Turabakiye kuri Kigali News Channel. Tubahaye ikaze kuri channel yanyu mukunda. Channel yanyu mukunda muri benshi.
Kiki cyanyu.
Shut up.
Mumara kuhagurwagwa.
Shut up. Akuretse nkakira abantu.
Kuko numvisha kandi.
Bonetse twaki nyakira nje nyakira.
Kwa mu Cyongereza you are math. Have a big problem for the toilet, the water, the bad water.
Bad water?
Yeah. Mfite umunuko mubi nini zagwa zibishe. Dore umusatsi w'ikuntu umeze.
Bo bajye bihangana umusaza no kwameze.
Neko kalani.
Ariko nta kundi.
Okay, continue hapa là-bas. Kokalani.
Ariko nta kundi.
Okay, bye.
See here.
Bye, guys.
See here. Come here. Mw'abantu ngo ntabwo ibintu biba byoroshye. Mbona ko ibintu biba byoroshye. Ni ukuvuga ngo ku ibintu biba bimeze. Tuba turi kumwe n'umusaza mbone ya gahunda tuba turimo kuganira namwe umunsi ku wundi ndetse tugenda gute tumana dukora ibintu bimeze neza cyane gake. So ntabwo twije tubakira ariko reka tubakire kuri Kigali News Channel tubaye ikaze ndetse navuga ko ibiganiro byacu kagaruka buri munsi bamugera mutubona uko bwije nuko bukeye. So itimeneza tuba turi ku munsi ku wundi. Tsikizo abantu baravuze ati Tsikizo turamusaba kuri Kigali News Channel wabintu kwakora ikiganiro abantu baravuga ati ura musore imeze gutya na gutya none Tsikizo bimeze bite?
Meze neza kagarara anyway nari meze neza mu buzima busanzwe ntuzimbo ni kwa kundi nari ngarutse kuri Kigali News Channel ngarukanye n'umusaza wanjye nemera cyane kagarara
yemen
meze neza cyane yeah
I was around here but
uragarutse eragane nabivuze kuri bugaruke you come back again,
you know
you back again.
When you don't know to speak a language, can you let it?
But
when
no, but I know how to speak in English.
And this one,
you can ask herself because
my dear, you know, you have a big problem when you don't speak any language. You can less.
Yes.
Or you have to let others speak and you close your mouth.
Close. Shut up.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to shut up.
But I want to take some time for today to say bye for you, and to take some time to meet you and me.
Yeah.
And to take our conversation or our meeting. Allez, go. No.
Kigali News Channel. Stay connected, stay entertained, and stay inspired with Kigali News Channel.